get business we dey on board.
Which kind business be that one, eh?
Calm down.
You know say your business no be better business o. The last business wey me and you go, now they wan come kill me. Na only God help me, I for don die since.
I no go die, calm down. I better biz. They get one truck where I see by that side. That road wey us dey pass every day, but open a better truck. If you see truck, if you go sit down for that man will get one leg.
You mean now?
I swear.
You think can well.
If you see truck, no be small. Truck they like crook machine. Come now. Got the fuck up. Come now. Enter now. What's it?
Why you not tell me say na TV wan come to? You tell me say na business we wan come do, na TV wan come to.
You won't spoil this business. What you hurry you? Won't spoil this business? What's in Montana? Enter inside there. Carry that clock, come out. See I'm there. Oh.
This man dey house.
Yes, in the inside.
Come out, open the gate, move, come out for here.
Where is this boy now? Every time. Where is this boy? Emeka!
Papa Emeka. You don't come o. Emeka, na better business wey I bring for you. I know say you dey find truck. Your business dey need truck well.
Yeah.
Na my grandfather dash me the truck. As you can see, na new one damn, e go good for your business. Just carry am, give me like 30,000 naira. I go sell am give you. I don't need receipt. The receipt dey. I will give you the receipt.
I'm very stupid.
The receipt dey now.
Sorry. Say who dashed you the truck?
My grandfather. Which kind question be that one now? Your truck does. Na my grandfather dash me the truck. No.
Yes. What? Okay. Hold on. Have you seen the truck?
Oh.
Okay. Are you serious? You have not seen it? Okay, hold on. I'll call you back. Give me a minute. So you guys are the one that stole my truck, Abi? Security! Lock that gate.
Okay, abeg, no vex. Actually, I was just passing by. Now you come tell me say you get one business. See, I don't dey tell you say
You guys are criminals.
No,
This evening you will die.
No, you will not be him. We will explain tire today.